Hi friends, it's Vidya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm going to share you how my rose garden looks in the garden. So let's get into the video and enjoy the rose garden too. And you can see my Zephirine Drouhin. This time I didn't really trim them well. I left them wild. They look really wild. But I'm just going to enjoy the bloom and then maybe trim some of the overgrown branches because I couldn't even walk in the area that we left for walking. But I am just leaving them here so I can enjoy the first spring flush because they have buds all over every place. So I don't want to lose even one single bloom from this plant, so because they are amazing. I wish I could share the fragrance over here. It's heaven, guys. I'm really loving how they smell. I'm so happy that I could plant this and they are really motivating me in every aspect of it. This is, I think, the top one for my garden in terms of motivation in gardener, right? You need something that shows that you are a gardener. So this is one such plant that makes me feel proud and make me feel even cry. Sometimes I feel like, oh my God, you are so amazing to me. So I'm so happy and so thankful to this plant.